friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make the Thor action figure with paper easily from the Avengers Infinity War. So in this video, I am going to show you the tutorial of the Thor action figure. So first, you will need an A4 size paper. In that you have to do 4 cm 8 times and have tube rolls like this. I have made orange color for Thor's skin. You can see these 4 are the hands. As you can see, these 4 are the hands here in Infinity War. And then I have brown color legs. This is 4 cm brown color legs here. I have 4 of them like this. And then a 7.5 cm for the body. This is body, you can see. And the Thor's eyes. And this is a head. The head has gone too big for me. And one eye is destroyed by Hela. Actually, he got it back, but I wanted this design, so I made one eye go. And back of his head, he has a full round head. Okay, now I'll just arrange it and show you. So first we need to keep the head here. And the last thing here is the cape also. I have Thor's cape. Yeah. So we need to arrange the head first here, and then the body, arms, and then we have the legs here. 1 leg, 2 leg. Yeah, so I'm done. This is the Thor action figure which I'm going to stick. Now we'll go, this is the sticking part. I'll just put everything here and bring the 4 hands here. For the sticking part, you will obviously need tape. So take 1 stripe of tape. After making all these tubes, stick 1 tube here. These tubes are made of 4 cm. And stick 2 tubes like this. If you don't have color paper, you can paint it. That is also good. You just need to take one and then stick it here. And take the other and stick it here. Yeah. So we are done with these 2. Here you can see. So now we'll stick the legs. So for the legs, I have made down these slabs. They are used for walking. You can make these slabs last. It will be easy. Because if you make the slabs last, it will be easy for sticking. Stick one here. Take this one here. And then stick it here. Like this. Yeah. Take one more. With this and this. So I'm done with the hands and I'm done with the legs here. Hands and legs. Now we'll connect the body and hands. In this white color circles I have made it in another paper and I have stuck it here. I'll just fold it and then put it here. Take the Thor action figure and just put it inside here. Close it. So I'm done with one hand. Take the other hand. Like this. And put it here and close it. So you can see I'm done with both the hands here of the Thor action figure. And then take one leg, put it in the up, don't put it in the down part. For hands we have put it in the down. For the legs, put it in the up. And put it in one end of the body, don't put it in the center. Be careful when you put the legs. Don't do it too close, don't do it too far. If you do it too close, then you can't move the leg. If you do it too far, it will be easy for tearing off. Put it in the other leg. Leave some space between the legs. It'll be good. And then stick it here. So we're done with the Thor action figure headless. Now, if you guys don't want the cape, it's okay, because he didn't have the cape first. Then only he got the cape when he got the Stormbreaker. But I like cape, so I'm putting this cape here. For making of the cape, take a red color paper. I made it too small. You can make it too big, or you can make it in a medium size and put it here. And one thing problem here, you just need to cut all these ends here. Only then it will perfectly fit. So now it will perfectly fit. And put one here. Press it. So we are done with the headless Thor action figure with cape. And take the head. No, you shouldn't make the head too big. It is my mistake. If you make the big head, it will be boring when you keep it for showcase. You have to make it so little small. That's where I made the mistake. I made a big head. It looked like a small body and a big head. Yeah, so when you keep the tape back, you just need to stick it inside. And for getting it more good purpose, you just need to stick another tape up of it, so it won't easily get tore. So here it is. We have done with the Thor action figure with his brown color beard here. For the head, you just need to take a paper without rolling. First you have to draw the full designs, then you can roll it. Only then it will have a good look. If you roll it and do the designs, it will have a bended look like this. That's what I did for all of my action figures. And this template of this thing, I got it in Google Chrome. I typed how to draw Thor from Infinity War. You will get it. You can also make the Stormbreaker. I have made it. And then here also, this is how you have to stick it. It's like you have to put a tape here, one tape here, and two tapes here. And this is inside his body. You can see there's nothing. If you keep any cotton inside this, it will be have a strong looking. It will be okay. But I didn't put any cotton. Hands are bendable. Legs are bendable. Upside down also. But the heads are not bendable. Only the legs. Heads are bendable like this. Okay. So thank you guys for watching this video. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel.